Welcome to the DIY Tax Knowledge Center. In this video we will look at how customers can navigate their way confidently through the app, how they can access help, and finally, how they can configure the various features so that it is 100% relevant to their situation. The Home button is located at the top left of the screen. This is a simple, yet powerful feature that is standard in most apps. It is used to quickly take the customer back to the home screen, irrespective of where they are located in the app. Customers should click on the little person icon at the top right of the screen to access the Personal Settings menu. Customers can use this menu to change their display name, update their security settings, that includes changing their password, configuring two-factor authentication and enabling login notifications. They can also use this menu to log themselves out of the app. In the event customers need support, they should click on the Help button at the top of the screen. Customers can access a video tutorial and user guide that refers specifically to the screen they are on. For more help, customers can click on the Help Center menu option, which will take them to our Help Center. The Help Center lets customers search for particular topics and access a wealth of useful support materials. Finally, customers can access our chat service, which has been carefully programmed to answer questions relating to the use of the app. Click on the personal profile icon and select the MTD settings menu, where you can select and configure the Making Tax digital services that you require. If you have enabled any of the MTD services or the banking feature, they will appear on the front screen. Otherwise, they will be hidden to make the app easy for you to use. It is important to be aware if you switch the feature off, it will never delete your information, it is just adjusting which features are displayed on the screen. Your data will still be there when you enable the feature again. Finally, we have also conveniently located a facility to quickly adjust the font size used throughout the app. I hope that this video tutorial has helped to improve your confidence when using our app. It is important to us that our customers have a good user experience when using our products. Thank you for watching.